Arun's Magic Zipper. Brr. It was December 28th, a very chilly day. Luna and her family drove all the way from Maryland to New York. They were on a very special mission to meet someone new. Meet Arun. He is a tiny, wiggly puppy, only 2 months old. Even though he is small, when Luna's family picked him up, they said, "Oof, he is as heavy as a big bag of sugar." Arun is a Thai Ridgdharkg, which means he has a magical hair zipper on his back. His fur grows the wrong way in a line from his shoulders to his hips. It looks just like a pointy arrow. Zip-zap. Look at Arun's silly face. He has a strong head and tall ears that listen to every sound. When he gives a happy lick, you can see secret blue-black splashes on his pink tongue. Arun is a brave explorer. He is fast and bouncy, running around with the zoomies. But sometimes he is a little bit stubborn. When he doesn't want to move, he acts just like a tiny, heavy mule. Arun's family comes from Thailand, a land far away. Now, he and Luna are best friends. They share their toys and their home. Welcome home, Arun, you wonderful Ridgy puppy. Follow Luna and her family on a winter road trip to York to welcome a unique Thai Ridgdharkg KG puppy with a magical of fur and a spotted tongue.